Hey everyone, Allison here. So today I'm going to show you how I do like a little pocket. You can put whatever you want, or like a little purse or something. I'm going to do it so that it fits a little book. But anyhow, so you can make it as big or as small as you want it, as wide as you want it. You can do this as a regular bag, you know, like a regular purse. But up to you, you know. So do your slip knot. Okay, and you're gonna do an even amount of number. So however wide you want your item is how many stitches you'll do. I'm just going to do 12 because I don't need it very big. Alright, so we got our 12. Now up to you, but you can go into the V's right here, but I'm going to go into the back humps. You can see that right there. That's what I'm going to work into. You don't have to, that's just what I prefer to. Alright, so you're going to skip the first one and you can go directly into the second one. And I apologize for my nails, I just haven't had the chance to do them yet. Alright, you're going to single crochet all the way across, however many you have. I've got 12, so I'll end up with, excuse me, with 11. So, just like that. Alright, I'll finish and meet you guys at the end. Okay, so now I've got 11 stitches, single crochet. You're going to turn and chain 1, and what we're gonna do is what's called an extended single crochet. So you're gonna insert your hook into that chain 1 doesn't count, so you're gonna go into your first one, okay, and you're gonna pull through. You're gonna yarn over and pull through the first loop, yarn over and then pull through both. That is called an extended single crochet. We're going to do that all the way across. So go into the next one, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first one, yarn over and pull through both the last two. Go into the next, yarn over, pull through the first one, and then pull through the next two. Okay, and just do that all the way across. Okay, I'll show you one more time and then I'll pause you and let you guys finish what you're doing. So bring up, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over and pull through the last two. Okay, continue and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so I got the 10. You guys don't forget your last one, because sometimes that can be hidden. Alright, so now we got 11 again. Okay, we're going to turn our work. We're going to chain 1. And this time we're going to do just a single crochet all the way across. So 1, 2. Can you hear my bird? She's throwing a tantrum. She heard her dad come home. Daddy's home. Alright, chain 1, turn. Now we're going to do that extended single crochet again. So all the way across. If you remember how to do it. Oops. Just like that. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to make this for as big as you want it. So if you want it only to be 8 inches tall or whatever, you got to consider you're going to wrap this in half. So you want it to get double in size. So if you want it 8, you're going to want to do 16 inches. Alright, well, not last round, but last one, and then I'll let you guys go to finish, and then I'll meet you at the end. You're going to turn, so every other one, you're going to do a single row, single crochet, and then the next round, you're going to do an extended single crochet, okay? So just like that. So you get your single, your extension, your single, your extension, and now your single. I hope that makes sense. So do it for as long as you want it, and then we'll meet up when it's time to finish it, okay? Okay, so this is how big I got mine. Hold on one sec. Sorry about that, I had to sneeze. Alright, because I just want to fit this in here. I was gonna do it for a notebook. I know I had one. Well, somewhere. Anyhow, but I decided to do it for this pin. So you want to end on a single crochet, not the extended, but on the regular single crochet. Okay. Now, okay, well, I was gonna show you how to sew this up, but I can't find my needles anywheres. I don't know, they're here somewhere. Alright. But you do want to bind it off. Alright. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take on the opposite side, so this will be the back, and you'll sew each side up, okay, and then that'll give you the pocket. But I don't know where my needles are, and I gotta get this video out anyhow. So, but basically just to show you how to do that stitch, like I said, it's the single crochet, the extension single crochet. So you got the extension, and then you got your regular, and then you got your extension. I hope you can see what I'm talking about. But it gives a cool pattern when you switch them up. So, alright, well, I hope you guys liked this, and I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to go and check out Pam's, because we're doing the collab. This was the yarn that she had given me in her craft bag, or well, box. So this is what I did with hers this week. So we'll see you all next Friday. Alright, you guys, I love ya. Bye.